that this bike brings to its intended customers. So
New Star City has Eco Thrust engine, which is well proven, and now it is in 110cc. I will explain now the improvements that we have done on this engine for specific targets of this customer. This engine delivers better fuel economy, better pickup and acceleration, very high smoothness and durability. The low friction is helping in achieving the highest fuel economy in this class. The low friction is through molly-cored piston, roller follower. Then we have for electrical loss reduction and improvement of electrical whole system efficiency. We have changed over from shunt type regulator to series type regulator, thereby improving the efficiency from 55% to 80%. The combustion efficiency is improved by port flow and better charge preparation and charge motion in cylinder. Projected tip spark plug and intelligent ignition system are helping far better combustion and instantaneous correction of ignition for required combustion parameters. And TCI gives very high energy, transistor control ignition is responsible. The better pickup and acceleration are achieved through tuned muffler design and high capacity air filter to improve the flow. So air flow and the quantity of charged mixture is controlled by these two. Then we have the carburetor size, which is characteristics of good quality mixture and flow. Then the same intelligent ignition system, which helps to optimize combustion parameters to get peak torque at every speed and every throttle area. Engine smoothness. This is work by working on the crankshaft with improved rigidity. The crankshaft is designed to have absolutely solid performance, and you will not hear any noise from the engine on any of these.
It gives me great pleasure to be here at this launch. I think it's since Jupiter. We had Phoenix, then we had Jupiter, today we had TVS Star City, and we have now a regular and consistent delivery of new product flow from the team. In the commuter segment, we have been largely absent except at the lower end with TVS Sport and a little bit at the higher end with TVS Phoenix. We need to be a much larger player in the middle of the market in the commuter segment, and therefore this is the first of two launches that will take place. The first is Star City Plus today, and within the next 4 months we will have the TVS Victor launch at a slightly higher level, which will complete our lineup of commuter products. 95,000 vehicles a month, almost 7 million a year, where we really have been playing very marginally with the old Star City and the Phoenix. But in 6 months' time, we'll have the new Star City now, the Victor now, and the Phoenix, which will help us get a much bigger share, although I'm not going to speculate on what the share will be. Today, Star City has over 4.5 million customers, and I think the Star City Plus will certainly satisfy those customers, plus attract people all around. The most important part of the Star City is it is features rich, it is packed with features, it got a brand new engine derived from the Eco Thrust engine used on the Phoenix, ride, optimized efficiency and a long life. And all this will be available ex-showroom in Delhi at 44,000 rupees, giving the customer a really high value for money product with absolutely top-end features, top-end technology, and really the best in class in every way, as you've seen from our day's presentation. We sell only about 30,000 to 35,000 bikes a month on the average on a segment of 595,000. And we would like to see with Victor for us to get close to 60,000 in that category. or more. So we're looking at 10 to 12% market share by January.
On the BMW project, what is the investment and what will be the capacity of the plant, or how many vehicles will be rolling out of the Hosur plant?
As committed during last year, during the BMW launch, the product design and development that time, it's about all investments put together about 150 crores.